everyone, myself Deepa from Siliguri. A famous saying is only in Naturopathy, a person becomes a doctor. One day on Instagram, I saw a webinar post of Vishal sir. I found the webinar really interesting and was fond of sir's knowledge of naturopathy. So I joined the 25 hours course, which has given me lots of insight about the lifestyle disease, foods and nutrition and many more things about nature and Mother Nature. How can Mother Nature help us to heal us from lifestyle disease? This course was also followed by HIGH, which means holistic integration of gut health. In this HIGH, I came to know about angiogenesis, SIPA child, and many more things. The team of Go Nature is doing so well, and I hope I'll get some more insight from them in future. Thanking Vishal sir and his team. I will be very proud to be forever in this team. Thank you, sir, and the team.